Hi everyone, today we are going to see about the 7 new wonders. Great Wall of China. One of the world's largest building construction projects, the Great Wall of China is widely thought to be about 5,500 miles, 8,850 km long. A disputed Chinese study, however, claims the length is 13,170 miles, 21,200 km. The most extensive and best preserved version of the wall dates from the Ming Dynasty 1368 to 1644. Petra. The ancient city of Petra, Jordan, is located in a remote valley nestled among sandstone mountains and cliffs. It was purported to be one of the places where Moses struck a rock and water gushed forth. Later, the Nabateans, an Arab tribe, made it their capital, and during this time it flourished, becoming an important trade center, especially for spices. Chichen Itza Pyramid. Chichen Itza is a Mayan city on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, which flourished in the 9th and 10th century CE. It is thought to have been a religious, military, political, and commercial center that at its peak would have been home to 35,000 people. The site first saw settlers in 550, probably drawn there because of the easy access to water in the region via caves and sinkholes in limestone formation known as cenotes. Christ the Redeemer. Christ the Redeemer, a colossal statue of Jesus, stands atop Mount Corcovado in Rio de Janeiro. Its origin dates to just after World War I, when some Brazilians feared a tide of godlessness. They proposed a statue which was ultimately designed by Hector da Silva Costa, Carlos Oswald, and Paul Landowski. Construction began in 1926 and was completed 5 years later. Colosseum. The Colosseum in Rome was built in the 1st century by order of the Emperor Vespasian. A feat of engineering, the amphitheater measures 620 by 513 feet, 189 by 156 meters, and features a complex system of vaults. It was capable of holding 50,000 spectators who watched a variety of events. Perhaps most notable were gladiator fights, though man battling animals was also common. In addition, water was sometimes pumped into the Colosseum for mock naval engagements. This Incan site near Cusco, Peru was discovered in 1911 by Hiram Bingham, who believed it was Vilcabamba, a secret Incan stronghold used during the 16th century rebellion against Spanish rule. This mausoleum complex in Agra, India, is regarded as one of the world's most iconic monuments and is perhaps the finest example of Mughal architecture. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan, reigned 1628 to 58, to honor his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Choose one of the palace, who died in 1631, giving birth to their 14th child. It took about 22 years and 20,000 workers to construct the complex, which includes an immense garden with a reflecting pool. The mausoleum is made of white marble that features semi-precious stones in geometric and floral patterns. If you liked my video, subscribe, share and comment.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's